Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom. I'm cooking beef and broccoli today. I have about 10 ounces of the chicken strip, and I high heat the wok. We put 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. I'm going to saute the chicken first. And I have a cup of the broccoli. It's a simple stir-fried chicken broccoli, very popular in the Asian restaurant all over the world. Okay, you see, once the chicken turns color and the inside is still uncooked, ready. I'm gonna put it to my calendar. And I still have some a teaspoon oil here, and just add another teaspoon here. Okay, and then I'm gonna add some ginger and garlic while my wok still hot. And let the ginger garlic saute a little bit until fragrant, golden brown. I'll put my broccoli. I take the head off, and I try to keep the broccoli small, so easy to cook. This is a very simple 10-minute dish. You can do it at home. Just kind of like saute the broccoli a little bit. Just small like this, you don't need to steam. And then I revisit my chicken. Wok is hot. Saute a few times, little cooking wine. Yes. A little soy sauce first. And some oyster sauce. Give them a quick stir fry. See how beautiful? And then I put some stock. I can use the beef stock. It's okay. Just a little bit, not much. Keep that little sauce like this. And cover up. Just for like 20 seconds. Just want to make sure the sauce is nice temperature hot before we add the cornstarch. Okay? So now we're gonna add a little bit cornstarch. You put 1 tablespoon of the cornstarch mixed with 3 ounces water. And you just gently saute until the cornstarch nice and clear like this. See how beautiful that is? And all the sauce is been absorbed into the broccoli. Now it's done. Sesame oil. Drizzle something. See how fast that is? This is the simple 1 portion healthy food you can cook with some steamed rice, brown rice, anything. Okay, ready to serve. Here's the simple, easy, prepared chicken and broccoli. Very delicious, very healthy. If you want more sauce, you're just gonna add more stock and more soy sauce and more oyster sauce and more flavor. See how nice? Easy to make. 10 minutes meal. If you want spicy, add some hot chili sauce. No problem. I'm Chef Tom. I hope you like the video. I will see you next time. Bye.